Welcome to the Job Readiness Hub. You are probably on this page because you are wanting to know more information about this community and probably how this community can be of help to you. So please stay till the end of this video as I explain to you why I started this community, how it can help you, and the bigger mission of the members in this community overall. I started this community in 2020. That is when COVID had hit, pandemic, and it was tough times for everyone. I started this with the intention to help students, youth talents, and early career professionals to have a better career clarity and attain job readiness with the trending skills to thrive in the future of work. We at Job Readiness Hub are helping thousands of people to align their career based on their interest, their aspirations, their educational background, and most importantly, the industry's talent demand. We are on a mission to help 100,000 students to attain job readiness and to future proof their career while becoming tomorrow's workforce. Because today's youth talents are tomorrow's workforce, it's very important for them to have an aligned career, to have a better future, a better culture, and in turn a better society overall. I believe that the current education system and the current employment system is broken. That's why there is a huge gap of talent demand versus talent supply. And we need to transform the entire talent supply ecosystem by empowering today's youth talents and aligning them with industry's talent demands. For example, I'm someone from a typical South Indian background from Trichy. When I was a graduating student and during my early career days, I had no one who could tell me where the industry is heading to. No guidance on how to become a future ready workforce or a corporate professional. Though our educational systems had minimal industry interactions and awareness programs, that really doesn't cover it all. And the reason why I'm in the career space today is because I want to truly help people in choosing their right and futuristic career growth path. Also, if you are in your early careers, this is right time to upskill or reskill yourself to avoid job redundancies and to continue being competitive in the future of work. So if you resonate with this, go check out the memberships that we have in this community after watching this video to understand more about how it can help you. I also want to share with you the values of this community. So we at Job Readiness Hub operate with 9 core values. So the first value is the students here attain their career niche clarity. So they completely understand where they belong to, what is happening around them. This is the first important step that we wanted to address for youth talents today, that they should have their career niche clarity and they should go after their career niche. Only then they can have an aligned career. The second value that our community offers is aligned career. So as I spoke about, we help students to align their careers with their interest, their aspirations, their educational background, and most importantly, the industry's talent demand. We at Job Readiness Hub and this community helps students to have an aligned career after they have their career niche clarity. The third value that our community has is validating your chosen career niche and your alignment. So we have a standard validation process. We have experts coming from different walks of life who are talent acquisition leaders, HR leaders, and business leaders. They come and help you, handhold you, guide you on validating your chosen career niche. So the fourth value system that we operate in is empowering yourself. So we at Job Readiness Hub and the community empowers you. When I say empowers you, more than what a basic college curriculum can teach you, this curriculum helps you attain job readiness and also helps you to look beyond today, to take up any specialization courses on top of basic curriculums, to stay unique within the crowd or sometimes to stay unique outside the crowd. And that's very important for youth talents today. And that's what our community aims to develop in youth talents. So the fifth value that our community offers is building your influence, right? So building your influence and positioning yourself in front of the right audience, right? So maybe your dream jobs, you need to position yourself in front of the right audience. So that's the fifth value system that our community offers. The sixth value system is we as a community help and assist each other in attracting gigs, projects, internships, jobs, placements, etc. So here at the community, we and students attain job readiness even before they graduate, right? So the seventh value that our community offers is we have a resource center. So when I say we have a resource center, this is exclusively for the community members, where they have access to a lot of talent acquisition leaders and HR and business corporate leaders coming and talking about what do they expect from youth talents, what are they looking at while hiring their future workforce, and those kind of insights coming from real-time business leaders from the industry for the community members. And there will be weekly sessions, monthly sessions that's organized. Our resource center is the greatest strength for any individual who's becoming a part of our community. The eighth value is we as a community have our own community hub or a social network. So we help each other. There are a lot of volunteers who are helping students who have been a student earlier and who have successfully got into their dream jobs through this community. There are also senior leaders who are also volunteering, helping and doing one-to-one mentoring and coaching for. So there are people from varied walks of life who are there as part of this community network to help you to your path to success. And last but not the least, the big value system that we have is charity. Charity to support education of underprivileged children. So though we are right now focusing on empowering the youth who are already in their college and getting into the workforce in the next couple of years or couple of months, we are also focusing on giving education to the school children who are underprivileged. So this is what we do at Job Readiness Hub. I created this community not just to build tomorrow's workforce, to help youth talents to future-proof their career, but also to collectively create some social cause and some social impacts that we believe in as a community, and giving it forward for the education of children. So I want to welcome you to the community. What I want you to do next is please go and check out our membership page. Look at the various membership options that we have so that you understand the design and flow of this curriculum. Looking forward to have you in our community. Cheers and stay blessed.